This is Ranu Sawada, Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges. I welcome you all in behalf of Guru KPU. Today we are discussing the least recently used page replacement algorithm. As we discussed in first out page replacement algorithms, today we are continuing our least recently used page replacement algorithms. Here we have the 3 pages available for a particular process and the page requirements of that process in this fashion, that is to be named by the reference string. Now we will discuss how the least recently used page replacement algorithms works. First of all, we just check these we don't have any page available in the memory first, so we just load the page 7, and page fault occurs for the page 7 and page 0 and page 1. For all these pages a page fault occurs and these are loaded in this fashion. One by one all these 3 pages are loaded. Then we just come to the point of the page number 2. Then what is the requirement? We just see here that 2 is not available here. In that case we just check which page need to be replaced, because this is the least recently used page replacement algorithm. हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं सबसे कम कौन सा हमारा पेज सबसे लीस्ट रिसेंटली कौन सा पेज हमारा यूज़ हुआ है. हमारा करंटली यूज़ हुआ है 1, उससे पहले हुआ है 0 एंड द 7. इन तीनों पेजेस के अंदर हमारा लीस्ट रिसेंटली जो यूज़ हुआ है पेज वो हमारा 7 पेज है. तो हम उस 7th पेज को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं 2 से एंड नीचे वाले पेजेस सेम एज रहते हैं. तो इस तरीके से यहाँ पे भी पेज फॉल्ट अकर हो जाता है. अब हमारे पास है रिक्वायरमेंट 0 के जो कि ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है. अब हमें रिक्वायरमेंट है 1 की. अब जब ये 3 की रिक्वायरमेंट है, जब हमें 3 पेज नंबर की रिक्वायरमेंट है, तब हम देखते हैं कि लीस्ट रिसेंटली इन तीनों पेजेस में से कौन सा यूज़ हुआ है. तो ये जस्ट पहले यूज़ हुआ है, उससे पहले 2 यूज़ हुआ है, उससे पहले 1 हुआ है. मतलब ये हमारे न्यू पेजेस है जो कि अवेलेबल यूज़ हुए हैं और ये इन तीनों में सबसे पुराना पेज 1 है जो कि यूज़ हुआ था. तो हम पेज 1 को रिप्लेस कर देते हैं 3 से और 0 एंड 2 को एज इट इज़ रखते हैं. अब नेक्स्ट केस है हमारे पास 0. अब 0 जब है जो कि ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल है तो यहाँ पे पेज फॉल्ट अकर नहीं होता है. अब इन केस ऑफ द 4 अगेन we don't have the 4th page number here, so we need to replace it. But where we need to replace, we just check here. 0 is recently used, 3 is used, again 0 is used, then 2 is used. We have the 3 pages available here, 2, 0 and 3. Which one of these three is least recently used? So we check, we need page number 4, before that is 0, 3 and 2. The least recently page is 2. Then we just replace the 2 with the 4 and page fault occur in case of the 4. This will be the process. Then we will just continue for the second. Second is not available here. So 4, 0 and 3. 3 is least recently used. We just replace the 3 with the 2. Now we check for the 3. 3 is not available here. Then 4, 2 and 0. 0 is least recently used. Then replace the 0. Again 0 is used. Need to replace 0. Then 4 is replaced. 3 is available, 2 is available, 1 is required. In that case 0 is least recently used, need to change the 0 with the 1. Again 2 is required, 2 is available here, 0 is required, then 2, 1 and 3. So 3 is least recently used and 0 will be loaded here. Again 1 is required, 1 is already available, 7 is not available. Then before 7, 1, 0 and 2. 2 is least recently used. We replace the 2 with the 7. So, it will be 7, 0 and 1. In case of the 0 is available, 1 is available. In this case 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are the 12 page replacement page fault occurs in the least recently used page replacement algorithm, that is some less than the first in first out page replacement algorithm. Thank you.